Ghana is seeking economic assistance from the International Monetary Fund as part of a broader effort to quicken the country's build back in the face of challenges induced by the COVID-19 pandemic and recently the Russia-Ukraine crisis. The move comes on the back of a multiplicity of issues affecting Ghana's economy, including a worsening public debt situation, rising inflation which has risen to about 30% in June this year, high fuel prices, cedi depreciation, among others. The new managing director of Republic Bank Ghana plc, Benjamin Dzoboku, said government's decision to go to the IMF will go a long way to help increase the ability of banks to increase lending to priority sectors of the economy. Though credit to the private sector is recovering to pre-pandemic levels, according to recent data from the Bank of Ghana, businesses are still grappling with cash flow as they are unable to honor their loan obligations because of the challenging economic conditions. Also, most private sector loans taken from banks to undertake government projects have still not been paid. In an interview with City Business News, Managing Director of Republic Bank Ghana plc, Benjamin Dzoboku, noted that the move will boost the confidence of banks and ensure they lend more to the private sector.
We don't have any option than to go. That will actually instill some kind of discipline and then investors' confidence in the economy. Now the investors they lost confidence because we are not disciplined enough as a country. Currently, if you are a managing director and you have a lot of exposure in government securities, then you must be thinking of taking haircuts. Because if the government cannot pay, it means that you have to make provision for all that money you put in the government securities. But with IMF, we should maintain some kind of discipline, because we decided that we will not be disciplined enough as a country, as leaders and managers of the economy. Then you need somebody to come and discipline you to do the right thing. With that, there will be confidence. And then the banks can also do their work well, because if you realize that I mentioned the construction sector, people did a lot of work for the government, but they are yet to be paid. So those banks that gave out those loans, they must make provision. And that is also affecting the bottom line. But if you have somebody who will discipline you to do the right thing because we don't want to do the right thing, at least that will maintain some level of confidence for the banks to give out more credit to at least enhance that confidence that we need and for the economy to grow.
He also described the stay of the policy rate at 19% by the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank as a reasonable step, as the move will ensure some stability in the inflation rate.
I think that's the best thing they have done since they've started discussion with IMF. And then the government, they also got approval from Parliament for the 750. You need to wait and see reaction in the economy, because when you increase the policy rate, it means that you want to increase the lending rate again, and you also distort the economy. So it is the best decision that the governor and his team took, just to see how people will react to this going to IMF, and then the government get the approval from Parliament. And if this will not help, then you have to call an emergency meeting and see the way forward. But I think it's the best decision that the governor and his team did.